Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best shower caddies that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the iDesign Plastic Divided Shower Caddy Tote. The InterDesign ORBZ Shower Tote Holder and Organizer keeps all your shampoo, conditioner, face wash, and so on in place so you can carry it with ease into the communal showers or shared bathroom. It's important to have one of these and remove it from the shared bathroom, if you have one, when you're done each time so that you're never without your toothbrush if needed. The InterDesign Caddy can hold all sorts of products thanks to its 2 big side compartments and smaller organizer in the middle. The handles are relatively comfortable to hold, and there are air holes in the design to dry out your belongings after a shower. Moving on at number 4, we have the Sterilite Bath Caddy. If you're not sold on our top pick, the Sterilite Bath Caddy is a great alternative because it's made of a tougher, stiffer plastic and has a short handle in the middle, which is surrounded by 5 compartments. It's also a bit longer and wider than the iDesign Caddy. The largest compartments on each side of the caddy easily hold shampoo, conditioner, and other products. You'll also find 2 smaller compartments on one side of the handle and 1 medium one on the other side. The smallest sections are great for toothbrushes, toothpaste, and razors, while the medium one may hold a hairbrush or loofah. Since it's likely to get wet, the caddy has drainage holes at the bottom. You'll want to clean it from time to time, but plastic is easy to wipe down. At number 3, we have the handy laundry shower caddy. If you're short on space and don't need your shower caddy full all the time, you'll love the collapsible handy laundry shower caddy. It has a flexible wire frame that holds it upright when in use, but conveniently folds flat when held by the elastic strap for easy storage. It's just like those pop-up laundry hampers, but smaller. Can still hold several full shampoo bottles and other products with no problem. The caddy is made from a durable nylon mesh with an open top and a reinforced nylon strap for carrying or hanging up. There is a drainage hole in the bottom, and the mesh shouldn't absorb too much water or collect mold. At number 2, we have the SHLOCKER Shower Caddy. When living in a shared, communal space, it's wise to protect your belongings, and the lockable SHLOCKER is an excellent idea for that reason. The rust-proof, combination locking SHLOCKER has a shelf, 4 toothbrush, razor holders, and an anti-fog mirror, along with drain and ventilation holes throughout to keep mildew at bay. The 2 suction cups that attach to your bath or shower's tiles will purportedly support up to 40 pounds of weight. At 2.8 pounds, it's not our lightest weight recommendation, but it might be worth the slightly higher price tag for the peace of mind, especially for those who invest in their haircare products. And finally at number 1, we have the Formverkert Octopus Shower Caddy. While perhaps not as functional as other picks, the Formverkert Octopus makes a fun design statement with 9 tentacles to contain all of your toiletries within this clever little cephalopod. We especially like that you can hang your bottles upside down from the Formverkert Octopus, so you may not only dispense your shampoo with a single hand, but be sure to use up the entire contents of the bottle. These adorable little squids may not make for the most conventional caddies, but they work and seem to be pretty durable, especially compared with plastic that can easily be stepped on and destroyed. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.